back to Cleaning is My Therapy. My name is Jamie. So today I am tackling my 16-year-old son's bedroom. It's not dirty, it's just not together. We moved in on December 1st and he just hasn't put his bedroom together. Only thing he got set up was his computer and his desk and his bed, and he just kind of just put that up. So everything is in his closet, so I just want to come in and organize it and get his room put together, because his TV and PlayStation is in the floor, which I need to get his dresser removed from his closet into his bedroom so I can put his TV and PlayStation on that. So I'm going to flip y'all around and show you what his room looks like and what I am working with. So this is his bedroom. That's Valkyrie. She is so upset she cannot get up there. I need to take his sheets off and get them washed. She does sleep in here with my son sometimes, and she wakes up throughout the night, so they have toys in the bed. And I gotta get all of that stuff put away. And that's his PlayStation that is in the floor on top of a shoebox that needs to get put somewhere else. And his computer desk needs to be dusted. I don't know when the last time he did that. Probably when I did it. And this is his closet. So he still has stuff in boxes that need to get put away. Clothes. He's got dirty clothes on the floor. His weights, his airsoft gun case that needs to be put away. So that is just what I am working with. And then, oh my goodness, you guys. So this is so cute. He's had this since he was like 3, but let me do it. It has a little Bible verse on the back of it. And he's had this pillow since he was like 3 years old. He loves it. But he's 16. He don't want to get rid of it, which I don't blame him. I wouldn't want to get rid of it neither. You gotta like to keep, you know, your keepsakes. So it's just sitting right up there. And he needs new curtains. I have, oh, it's not gonna, and I opened up his curtains to get some light in here. But this is what those curtains look like. I have some gray ones in my bedroom that we're not using. I'm just gonna put those in here for the time being because those are ugly.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight.
So I was just getting things moved out of the way so I can get started, and those are just well, the camo one is just an airsoft pellet gun, and the other one is just a BB gun.
Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Ooh, baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing.
So I was just undecisive on what I was going to do. I couldn't decide if I was just going to rearrange his bed, like move his bed around, rearrange his room, or just leave it. So I just moved that out of my way for the time being.
couple hours from Japan, would you stay awake? I'm losing touch of who I am when you're far away. And I feel like I'm running in circles around you. And I know I've been acting strange for a while, but I want you close, ooh, ooh, closer than before. And no one knows, ooh, ooh, that I want you close. I'm not overthinking feelings.
So I was getting the shelf moved in here because he's got some stuff to put up on the shelf. He was into Harley Quinn. Like, I'll show you guys a little bit later. But there's a box full of like Harley Quinn figurines. But he's just, I guess, outgrown Harley Quinn. So I kind of just stuck that box to the side so he can go through it later and decide what he wanted to keep or not. And his night vision goggles that I'm going to pull out here in a minute, I could not find the stand for those. So I know there's a stand, I just can't find it. So I'm just going to, it'll get propped up on the very top shelf of the shelf for the time being.
Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back. When were you gonna tell me that? What am I hearing? It feels like a heart attack. Someone help me catch my breath again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? How could we let love go? How could we move on? Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind. Why are you playing? We ain't got the time. Tell me now if you want out. What are you saying? Come on and say.
I had ran out of hangers, so I had to go swipe some out of my daughter's closet. But I was just trying to get all of his clothes hung up before I got that dresser moved out of the way. Because the only thing I wanted in his dresser is like socks, boxers, basketball shorts, and swimming trunks.
On the run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind. Pride, I swear I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, I keep on trying till it bends, still it feels like I pretend.
So I was struggling to get this dresser out of the closet. It just whooped my butt because I couldn't just push it or just pull it because it was on carpet. So I struggled. And Valkyrie used to be afraid of the vacuum, but she is not no more. She just wants to attack it and play with it while I'm trying to vacuum the floor. So I always end up having to pick her up to finish vacuuming the floor. But before too long, she's going to be too big to pick up. So I'm going to have to get her to stop attacking it while I vacuum.
You look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different. Still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments. Doesn't mean I don't need you. I fell in love with your colors. They kinda tell me what I'm thinking. I fell in love with the way we are and the way we lose it. There's something different about us, and the reason why we stay. We fly around like paper planes. They never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are.
So this box my son needs to go through. He's not really into Harley Quinn no more, I guess. It's just some of his comic books that we've had graded. But he just needs to go through this and pick out what he wants to keep and what he don't want to keep. And then this box has got some of his Overdrive stuff he's had for years. There's the rest of the tracks. He's had those since he was like 5, 6, 7, something like that. Whenever Overdrive came out, he's had that since he was little. But there's like games in the bottom of here, so I'm gonna get those put up there. And I got his clothes all organized, and got my little helpers. They're sleeping. Little Valkyrie, Bailey, and Mr. Thor.
It's not a under neon bright lights when I see you dancing on the Polaroids. Just wanna have a good time, don't you? It all goes low, low, low. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. It's a remedy, remedy, remedy. And the way you go, baby, don't you know there's a remedy, remedy, remedy.
And I didn't change the curtains out yet because I didn't have enough curtains to cover that window. I only had 3. I needed like one more, and I don't have another one. So I was just going to have to wait on that one. So now I'm just going to clean off his computer desk and get it all dusted because it was pretty dusty.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around. But there's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, nobody loves me better, nobody loves me better. Guess I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town. But there's something about you, something about you I like, about you I too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, yeah. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody.
I don't wanna seem all rude, but I can't remember where I am. A mattress on an old wood floor and fragments of the night before. I don't wanna waste no time, and you don't wanna waste your love. Even though your kiss on fire, my mind is all.
So the next video coming up after this, I am tackling my daughter's bedroom because her room is just, it's way worse than my son's room. Her closet is horrible. So that is next on the to-do list. So I hope you guys have a fantastic Tuesday, a wonderful week, and hope you guys have a good weekend, and I will talk to you guys next week. Bye.